props to you for clicking on the critique lesson. You're amazing. 90% of people skip this, so way to go, champ. You're ready for the long haul. Let's dive in. Just in case you're jumping on for the first time, welcome, by the way. I'm Kianna Peppers, aka Weirdo Dork Extraordinary and Cat Mom. So to go over the basics, the quad's job is to straighten the knee. We have 4 muscles in there, oddly enough, even though you really only see 3 of them, though 3 are only superficial and visible. The intermedius, which we don't often talk about, is nearly hidden, but it adds bulk to the rectus femoris, so don't forget that. The tendon shape is similar to our triceps. It's a lumpy house. It goes past the patella all the way down to the tibial tuberosity, that little lump on the top of your tibia. They all originate from the femur, except for the rectus femoris, which connects to the AIS, A-I-I-S. It connects to the anterior inferior iliac spine, not the ASIS, the anterior superior iliac spine. 2 different places. That's where the sartorius lives. IT band splits the football shape of the lateralis, so don't get confused if you see lots of lumps on the side of your thigh. That's supposed to be there. Don't confuse the sartorius for the rectus femoris. Very often, easy to do. Going over a few things, we learned about Richter's band, Brachet's band, I don't really remember how it's pronounced. It is only visible on the relaxed leg, so once it's tensed, it pops out. Secondly, don't let the gesture break reality and become unrealistic. Keep it grounded. What on earth are you doing? Was it worth it? I didn't think so. Come here, Mr. Guilty Pants. Hey, bud. You stink. Don't make the S-curve so curvy that it's floating. Keep it grounded. And inner thighs bonus. This is not part of the lesson, but a discovery I made. Look for that divot in the inner thigh where the sartorius and the gracilis meet for a little more realism. There's some extra folds happening under there that don't all look like they belong to the one muscle. There's multiple layers of muscles happening in there. Yeah? So once again, power to you for going the extra mile and clicking on this video for an extra credit job. Until next time, my fellow self-learners, we'll see you next time for hamstrings! I'm so excited! Let's do it. See you next time, lovelies. Ciao for now.